So we're on the Dal Lake right now, and I can tell you that on the first day that we came here, the lake was completely empty, but the boats have returned. Some of the tourists have returned, and it's a very promising sight. And we've just run into one couple here who's on a boat, and they've decided to actually come back. Sir, you've decided to come back. आपने डिसीजन कैसे लिया आपने? क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले जब हम आए थे, पूरा खाली था. आप आए हैं?
Yeah, actually we was planning a honeymoon, so we was on the way to Kashmir.
Okay.
When we started to arrive, that time our flight was delayed. The attack was happened over here. So the next day we travel over here. So I didn't see anything like it's happening something like attack over here. So but from Srinagar to Pahalgam it's far away. So we didn't know that much. So we saw in the news like Instagram. So we getting the update or like what is happening in Pahalgam.
जो हुआ बहुत गलत हुआ, लेकिन ये चीज़ें रुकती नहीं है, लेकिन जो हुआ काफ़ी गलत हुआ. इसमें भी पता नहीं क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व होगा, लेकिन डर तो थोड़ा रहता ही है, लेकिन टाइम के साथ बदलना पड़ता है.
क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले जब हम आए थे तो जो टूरिस्ट लोग थे यहाँ पे श्रीनगर में, पहलगाम में, वो सब चले गए. आपने देखा भी होगा न्यूज़ में कि फ्लाइट्स में बहुत सारे लोग बहुत संख्या में निकल गए JNK से. लेकिन आप लोग आए हैं उसके बाद, तो आपके मन में क्या चल रहा था? क्या डर नहीं था?
नहीं, इतना तो डर नहीं है. मतलब हमारे भी कंट्री के लोग हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. लेकिन जो चीज़ हो चुकी है वो गलत हुई है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना कि हम उससे लेके डर के बैठे रहें. तो डरना तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. देखते हैं आगे क्या
होना नहीं चाहिए था, तो अटैक हो गया अभी.
और वो कश्मीरियों को खुश नहीं देखना चाहते.
एक्चुअली वो तो वही जानते वो क्या चाहते. ठीक है, हम लोग तो अच्छा चाहते हैं, सारा इंडिया एक साथ रहे, सब एक साथ खाए परे भले, सब लोग एक साथ रहे, एक साथ मिल के रहे, खुश रहे.
और क्या, हम तो यही चाहिए.
आपका मन में क्या था जब ये हुआ था, जब आए थे?
क्या मन में और क्या ही हो सकता है. जो फैमिली जो खोआ है वो ही जानता है जो क्या खोया है.
You know, here on the lake, which is such an integral part of the economy of Srinagar and really Jammu and Kashmir in general, it is symbolic of how things are. It is symbolic of the health of Srinagar. And there appears to be a certain small bit of a vibrancy that has returned that was not there on the day that we got here. And I really hope it continues because frankly, there is always the possibility that people have been locked into their plans. People were hesitant to cancel plans because money has been spent. There would be many others who have decided to come here because there is a conflict tourism aspect, of coming to a place after something tragic has taken place. You see that around the world. The real proof of whether even the semblance of a return to what it was pre-Pahalgam is concerned will be if the tourists continue to come. Right now you can see many groups of tourists, getting into these boats and being on the Dal Lake. But will they come back a month from now? Will they tell people to come back? Or is this just a flash in the pan just a few days after Pahalgam? That is the real question. The other big question, of course, is this going to spread to other parts of Jammu and Kashmir? Pahalgam right now is still a ghost town, even though some small groups have been seen going back there. But will there be large-scale tourism of the kind that existed in Gulmarg, Sonamarg, Pahalgam and other places before the terror attack? That is the real question that Kashmiris are asking right now. The mood has lifted just a little bit on this beautiful lake, and let's hope it actually continues. With Ashwini Mehra in Srinagar, Shiv Arur for NDTV.